All right, hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today I want to discuss the topic of how to work with an immigration lawyer remotely. All right, here we are. It's 2021. The pandemic has happened, and lots of people ask, "Hey, can we work with our clients from a distance? Can we work remotely?" And the answer is yes, absolutely. Our firm definitely can, and many immigration lawyers can. And I just wanted to put it out there, like how to work with an immigration lawyer remotely. And the first thing and the first piece of advice is basic. And before you to choose any immigration lawyer, you want to make sure that they're a good lawyer. All right, check them out. Look at their bar attorney admission history, whether they've ever been disciplined, whether they have any issues with their law license. That is basic. Make sure that they truly are a lawyer. There are a lot of kind of under the table, unethical, they'll tell you they're a lawyer and really they're not. They'll tell you that they're a lawyer when really they maybe were a lawyer in their country, but they're not certified to practice law, here in the United States or something like that. So you want to make sure that the lawyer you're working with is a good lawyer, first of all. Second, you want to make sure, if talking about remotely, you want to make sure that they're geared up for working remotely, if that's what you need, right? Like, do they have the video conference software? Do they have other clients who meet with them remotely? How do they handle contracts? How do they handle signatures? How do they handle documents? How do they handle government interviews? If your case is, set for an interview at a government location in a place that's not their office, you want to be clear about that. And the best advice is to do a consultation and ask the law firm that you're working with or the lawyer you're working with how they handle those things. And you don't want it to be, oh, we could do this or we could do that. You want it to be more organized, like this is how we typically do it, or these are the options, 1, 2, 3. And, because you want an office that's organized and ready to help you and already doing this. In our firm, we start every case with what we call our legal strategy meeting, or our LSM. And in the LSM, the legal strategy meeting, our attorney and our paralegal get together with the client. And we do this whether it's in our office in person or whether it's remote. For us, it's the same, all right? And we discuss the case. We discuss what we need to do to file the case, what tasks are, things like that. And we can do that whether it's remote or in person, doesn't matter, okay? Like, the question is, does your lawyer have their processes in place? And it's a good idea to start with their consultations process. If they can do that through video and do it well, then there's a good chance they can do the rest through video. And, this is the 21st century. And so it's important to give people that option. And if you need to take advantage of that option, just make sure you're working with a firm that can satisfy that for you. Okay. And I will say that if you want to come to the office and see the firm live in action, do it. All right. In my opinion, firms that are like 100% remote and 100% meeting on Zoom, in my opinion, they have communication challenges. All right. Like, you can't just sit across the desk from somebody and say, hey, what happened here and here and here? Anyway, in my opinion, it's a good idea to have a team that does have a meeting space somewhere themselves, and that you could, at least if you wanted to, go and see them in action live, right? Like, if you needed to, you want to make sure that it's a legitimate, fully functioning law firm. And yes, that it's also capable of building cases and representing clients well remotely. Okay, that's really all I wanted to say for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell here on our channel. Thank you so much for being with me. We'll see you on the next video. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Bye-bye.